8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. The speed had been 5 km per hour more. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Coming to the solution. Let's assume the speed of the train as x km per hour. We know that time equals to distance by speed. That is, speed equals to distance by time. Time equals to distance by speed. So as per the given information, 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equals to 1. So taking the LCM and solving, we will get 360x plus 1800 minus 360x. That implies x square plus 5x. So 360x and 3 minus 360x gets cancelled. So x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals to 0. So next x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equals to 0. X plus 45 x minus 40 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 45 is invalid, that is negative number, right? So we cannot take that one. So only x equals to 40 we will take. Hence the speed of the train will be 40 kilometers per hour. Next, coming to ninth question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Coming to the solution. Let's assume the time taken by larger tap to fill x hours. Then time taken by small tap equals to x plus 10 hours. So it is given the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Hence we have taken first of all the time taken by larger tap to fill x hours, then time taken by small tap equals to x plus 10 hours. In 1 hour, tank filled by larger tap equals to 1 by x. Tank filled by smaller tap equals to 1 by x plus 10. And what is given for us? Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. So 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 equals to 1 by 9 3 by 8. So on solving, we will get x plus 10 plus x by x into taking LCM. X plus 10 equals to 8 by 75. 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x equals to 8 by 75. 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 equals to 0. 8x square minus 70x minus 750 equals to 0. So 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equals to 0. 4x square minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 equals to 0. So x equals to 5 or x equals to minus 25 by 4. Minus 25 by 4 is invalid. So negative number, that's why we cannot take. So only we will take x equals to 15. Thus larger tap fills tank in 15 hours and smaller tap fills in 25 hours. So coming to question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Coming to the solution, let's consider passenger train speed as x km per hour. So express train speed equals to x plus 11 km per hour. So an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. So hence between Mysore and Bangalore. So we will take 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals to 1. So what is given for us? 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equals to 1. So by taking LCM, x square plus 11x 132x plus 1452 minus 132x, that implies 1. So on solving we will get x square plus 11x minus 1452 equals to 0. So x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 equals to 0. So x plus 44 into x minus 33. So x equals to 33 is valid and x equals to minus 44 is not valid because negative number. So x equals to 33 we will take. So therefore passenger train speed equals to 33 kilometers per hour and express train speed equals to 44 kilometers per hour. Coming to question number 11. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter per meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So first what is given? Coming to the solution, consider the bigger square side as x meter and the smaller square side as y meter. So two squares are there and we will take those two squares, sum of the areas of two squares. So sum of the areas x square plus y square equals to 468. If the difference of their perimeters, so 4x minus 4y equals to 24. It implies x minus y equals to 6. X equals to y plus 6. Substituting the value in the first equation. So y plus 6 whole square plus y square equals to 468. Y square plus 12y plus 36 plus y square equals to 468. So 2y square plus 12y minus 432 equals to 0. That implies y square plus 6y minus 216 equals to 0. So y equals to 12 and y equals to minus 18. So y equals to minus 18 we cannot consider, only y equals to 12. That is the smaller side, the square side equals to 12. So thus the side of bigger side square is 18 meter and smaller square is 12 meter. Friends, if you like this channel, please subscribe it, like it, share and comment upon it. Thank you.